Okay, here's our Unit 1 project, the area and perimeter form. We have our labels here: length, LVL length, width label, area, and perimeter. And each of them are aligned to the middle left. We have a length text box with the name right here. Text align is left. Text property is blank. And the name, text length. Have our width. Also align left. Text property is blank. And the name is text width. We have our area and perimeter. The area name right here is text area. Text property is blank, and the alignment is left. Perimeter is also the same. Alignment, text blank, the text perimeter name. We have our two buttons. Button calculate, the name right there, and your exit button with the name right there. And the alignment is middle center, and the text property for calculate here. Here. Form name, area and perimeter. Form, area and perimeter. Start position is center screen. Your accept button is the calculate button, and the cancel button is the exit button. Everything is aligned properly and all lines up, spaced evenly, and all the tab borders are set. So when we run the program now, you can see when we tab through, it's our length text box, then our width text box, then the calculate button, and the exit button. And that's it for the Unit 1 project. Thank you.